I'm good, fool.
Good.
I just finished up my homework and shit, you know what I'm saying? I want to hang out with my Hannah now.
With who?
With my girlfriend and shit, you know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Want some Takis?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, fool.
Okay.
Hey, what take it easy, fool?
That's cool.
I'm just making a video.
Oh.
Yeah, I play a character for my YouTube channel. I'm just called I'm just eating Takis and vibrating, like eating loudly.
Oh, cool.
You know what I'm saying? My cameraman is just like behind the bookshelf right there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, is that cool if you're in the video?
Yeah.
Awesome, I appreciate it, man. Thank
Are
you.
you on YouTube?
Yeah, yeah. It's
What's your
called
YouTube channel?
That Was Epic.
That was epic?
Yeah,